13 injured in Slovakia train collision remain hospitalized. None critical, says health minister. 13 people who were injured in a train collision on Sunday evening remain in hospital, Slovak officials said yesterday. A regional high-speed train from Bratislava to Nitra collided with a high-speed train from Košice to Bratislava traveling in the same direction. Slovak Health Minister Kamil Sasko said that 13 were still hospitalized yesterday and nobody was in life-threatening condition. Prime Minister Robert Fico said that the cause of collision was likely by human error. Rail traffic remained closed in both directions on the section between Pezinok and Bratislava on Monday. Earlier on 13th October, two fast trains collided in eastern Slovakia, injuring dozens of passengers, including two who were in a critical condition. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you everyone. Bye.